For a whole year now, we've been seeing AirPods, using them, wearing them, loving them, talking to Siri, making those important reminders about our meetings, listening to music, and seamlessly pairing with all of our devices. And I think now it's our lifestyle, it's our companion. It's something that we are getting used to. A revolutionary headset with an embedded processor that understood all of our emotions and probably our emotions too. Gave us all-day battery life and brought our families closer and closer, as if they never even left. They were right here with us all the time, and as if they were sitting next to us. When we were happy, we danced to its tunes. When we were sad, we just said, "Hey Siri, play my tunes." We all either used it solo or used it together. But either ways, the experience was my turn. Went for workouts, checked our calories, and even watched on my phone my grandma's memories. Connected with our iPads, connected with our Macs. It's simply just changed the way we looked into wireless headphones. It's simply changed all of our lifestyles. It got connected to all of our devices as if it was connected with our souls. For a device that changed our lives, that entertained us, I give it all fives. Thanks a ton for a fine companion. But hold on. What's your opinion?